Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So in this video we will learn about the Reactive Forms module. So we will try to create this new course using the Reactive Forms module. And here when I am trying to click on this add course, so we are able to get this one, right? So we are able to open this form. Now let's try to add these all things. So here let's do the reactive form. And for this one, let's go to the new course and new course.html file. These are both the things. And here we will create a course form. So here I am creating a course form here. Course form. So this should be new form control. Sorry, new form group. And here we need to add all the form controls. And this form group should be imported from the Angular forms. So here import from @Angular/forms, and here this should be something like form group, yeah. And here in this one, first one is the name, and this should be a new form control of empty, and it should be validators. I don't know whether it will import it or not. Validators dot required, yeah. And this form control, it should be imported here, form control, and also here we will add a validators, yeah. Here we have imported this one also. Now the name has been added, and let's try to add a description also. Description, it's also a new form control. So form control of empty, and here also you can add validators not required, so I am not adding it. And at the last you will be having a status. So here we can have an empty. So this is the form group which we have created. Now for this one, for this form group, let's go here. So here this is the form, right? So here we need to add the form group. Okay, form group is equal to course form, I think. Course form. So this is the form which we are trying to add it here. This is the course form we have created it, right? So this course form we will be adding. Now for this one, we need to attach the form control for each and every one. So for each and every element, form control name is equal to name, and for this one, form control name is equal to what I can say, this is equal to description. And the last one is for this one, form control name is equal to form control name is equal to this one is status, right? Status. So these are the three things which we will be adding. And for this status we don't have any options, so let's try to create an options for this one also. So statuses will have a like this is equal to active, inactive, and the last one we will be having is the draft. So I will have it like this, and let's loop over each and everything here in option, and here option value is equal to active, like this we'll be having it, right? Let's try to loop over each and everything. Ng for is equal to item of statuses, and here I'll be having, and here I can have the same thing like this item, and here we will be adding the data binding value is equal to item. Okay, so we have added it like this, and here also we have added it. Now let's try to see the output for this one. If I click on the add course, we are able to see active, inactive, draft, and also, and the form and everything is attached to this one. So first step is completed, right? So now here button, when we click on this create course, so we need to add. So here I will be using ng submit on course create, anything, whatever the name you want you can give it. So this is the on course create. Let's go to the TS file, and here I will be having a method on course create, and let's try to get those all values. Console.log this dot course form. Okay, you will be having all the details in the dot value. I will try to show you this one. So if I inspect the element for this, let's inspect the element for this one. So here I am going into this here, and if I click on this add course, let's go to the console, and I am adding these all the details. And here if I click on the create course, we are able to get a form group. And in this form group, if you see here, if you try to observe here in this value, you will be able to see all the values which the user has been added. So the dot value will be having these all the details. So let's try to get this value, dot value. Now if you try to see the output for this one, let's see. If I click on this add course again, I will click on this add course, and for this one I will add it here, the description and inactive, and I will click on this one. Here we are able to get these all the values. Now we got the course details. Now let's try to add it here. So where we can add it? We don't have any database and all those things. We are not doing anything such type of things, right? So if you go to here in our courses.component.ts file, so here you'll be able to see we have a courses object which is an array of course, and these all courses we are trying to add it in the courses this is an array, and if you try to push those all the things into this array, so we will be able to get it, right? So this is the one thing which we can do it. So we need to push these the add a newly created course into this courses array. For this one, what we need to do, so this is a parent component, we need to emit an event for this courses.html into the courses component. So here in this one we will create a new event emitter. So here @output course created is equal to new emit emitter of course. So these all the things should be added. So here I can add the output. Okay, this should be output, and here this should be capital, and event emitter, this also should be added, event emitter, and here also we need to add a course. So this is the interface which should be imported course. We also imported the course also. So this is our input. On course create, what I will try to do is, so this dot course created, where it's not coming still, course created dot emit of this dot course dot value. So I will try to send this value. That's it. So this dot course dot form dot value, and I will try to do as course. So I will try to type convert this one. So now we are emitting the event. So we need to catch this event. So where can we can catch this one? In our courses.component.html, and here we will be having this app new course, right? So here I can add here. So what is that course? New course.component.ts course created. Here in our thing, I will try to add in the courses.component.html. Yeah, here I will add it like this on course create, and we need to send this $event which is a course. So here this one, let's go to the courses.component.ts file, and here course created, on course create, here this one we are having it, right? So on course create, course created, so we can have it like this. Oh sorry, this one not courses.component.html. yeah, here course created like this. So here we can have it, and in this one also I will try to have it like this. Sorry, yeah, here we can have it, and this is an event which is of type course. And here in this one, what we need to do, so we know that this should be added in the course. So this dot courses, this dot courses dot push of event. So we are pushing the event, and also the create new course we are making it as false. That is nothing but we are closing the form. So fine, let's see the output, whether we can able to get this output or not. If you try to see it, what is the problem? On course created, okay, course created, we are not passing any event. Okay, so that's not a problem. Where is that one? So I have saved it, this one also, and here I am passing the event, everything is fine. Now I think it will work fine. Let's close this one also. Here I will try to create a course, and here I will write something like here, and I will make it as an active create course. I think, yeah, the course has been successfully created, but it is coming at the bottom. We can also move it at the top also. Now the another thing what we need to do is, before closing this session, we need to implement this cancel button also. How we can implement this cancel button? The same thing. Let's go to the new course.component.html, and here upon click I can write here click is equal to on course cancel. So we are using this on course cancel. Let's go into the TS file. Yeah, here this is our TS file, and here I will have a method on course cancel, and we need to emit an event. So here I can have the same thing @output. Okay, course cancelled is equal to new event emitter of void. And now what I will do is, so this we will not try to send any data. This dot course cancel dot emit. So we are emptying the event. On course cancel, this one is done. So here course cancelled, and here let's go to the courses.component.html file, and the same thing we can write it here, and course cancel. Okay, and here I can copy this one. So on course cancel courses.component.ts file, yeah, here. So here I can have it like this, and what I will try to do is, so I will make it as this dot course, create new course, right? Create new course is equal to false. I will make it as a false, this one also. Now if you try to see here, I will click on this add course. Let's click on this add course, and if I click on the cancel, it will be removed. So now we have successfully able to implement everything. Now if you want, you can also, instead of pushing, I can do the unshift. Do the unshift so that the recently added course will be coming at the top. Now if I click on this add course, oh, let's slowly come, yeah. So I will do these all the things, and I will click on the active create course. See, the course has been came at the top. So now we have successfully implemented this one. Now our another task is, so instead of adding it dynamically like this, we will animate this one. When a new course is getting added, we will try to animate it, and we will try to add it here so that we can understand this one. So this is how we will be using the reactive forms in an Angular animation. And what I will do is, as usual, I will commit this code in a new branch, video-36, and I will commit this entire code. What I can say is reactive forms course create. Let's commit this all the code. So I will publish this branch also, yeah. And whoever may be having a doubts or everything, so you can go to this my GitHub repository URL. So this repository URL is provided in the description below of every video. And if you have any doubts or anything of particular video, means you can go to that particular branch of this video, and you can have a look at, you can refer the code what I have did it in that video. Hope you understood about this reactive forms thing. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.